Kung sawa na kayo sa mga delays sa inyong construction projects at naghahanap ng mga epektibong paraan para manatiling on track, then this video is for you. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am Fred Jomampo, a licensed civil engineer and a contractor with 13 years of experience in the field of construction. Today, we're diving into the heart of construction project management and tackling some of the most pressing questions you have. Naisip nyo na ba ano ang pinakakaraniwang sanhi ng construction project delays? Ang pag-unawa sa mga pitfalls na ito ang unang hakbang para maiwasan sila. Pero hindi tayo titigil doon. I will also share with you how to effectively eliminate or control these delays in your project timeline. Imagine running a construction project na smooth ang takbo, on time, at walang frustrating setbacks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, stick around dahil ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawing realidad ang pangarap na yan with some simple yet powerful tips. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Pag-usapan muna natin what are the common causes of construction project delays. I have here 8 causes of construction delays. 1 is poor project planning. Inadequate planning can lead to unrealistic timelines and overlooked tasks causing delays. Mahalaga na sa simula pa lang, malinaw ang lahat ng mga detalye ng proyekto. Without a clear roadmap, projects can quickly turn off course. Next is budget inaccuracies. Misestimating costs can result in funding shortages na pwedeng huminto hanggang sa makakuha ng additional funds. Siguraduhin na makatotohanan ang mga estimates para maiwasan ang pagkukulang sa pondo. This is the reasons that you need to have a contingency fund. Labor challenges is another cause of construction delays. Projects might be considerably slowed down by experienced labor shortages or ineffective workforce management. Kaya, kailangan nating magkaroon ng tamang bilang ng skilled workers at syempre, yung mahusay na pamamahala sa kanila. At this time, medyo madami din ang nangangailangan ng tao. Kaya masasabi ko na may shortage talaga sa skilled laborer. Approval delays, isa din ito sa mga causes ng construction delays. Na-experience namin din yan. Yung nakamobilize ka na but then bigla na lang hindi makapag-start ng walang necessary permit like building permit. Kaya huwag ipagsawalang bahala ang building permit. Kung may construction project ka, permit is non-negotiable. Kuha na agad ng permit, huwag matakot sa expenses. Huwag maniwala sa hearsay na mahal ang kumuha ng permit. Mas mahal kapag na-delay ang construction project mo kung wala kang permit. So, planuhin ang pagkuha ng permits ng mas maaga para hindi maantala ang proyekto. Contractor-subcontractor issues can also be a common cause of construction project delays. Coordination problems or non-compliance by a subcontractor can disrupt the project schedule. Dapat coordinated lahat. Pag-usapan at solusyonan agad ang mga issues and concerns na kailangang i-resolve. Resolve it immediately. Another common causes of construction project delays is the weather conditions. Ang masamang panahon, gaya ng ulan o matinding init ay maaaring makapagpahinto ng trabaho, particularly in outdoor projects. Magkaroon ng contingency plans para sa mga masamang panahon. For example, kapag matindi ang init, pwede mo i-adjust ang work time ng tao. Delays in the delivery of materials and equipment can cause significant setbacks. Magkaroon ng multiple suppliers para maiwasan ang delay sa materials. At the same time, magkaroon ng materials delivery schedule based on your construction project schedule. Ito yung schedule na bago pa lang gamitin ng workers natin nandyan na ang materials. Sabi nga nila, daig ng maagap ang masipag. So kailangan agapan na agad ang delivery. Design changes is also one of the common causes of construction project delays. Modification to the project design during construction can lead to delays as plans are revised and new materials are sourced. We do have a lot of experience na ganito. Yung tipong naka-full blast na ang tao. Then all of a sudden, papahintuin ka kasi i-revise na lang yung plans. So, dapat planuhin ng mabuti ang design bago simulan ang construction. Lastly, unforeseen site conditions. Unexpected issues like soil problems or hidden utilities can cause delays as they require additional work to address. Ito yung na-consider mo na excavation work mo, na yung soil ordinary soil. But then, nung nag-start na kayo maghukay, matigas pala o malambot, that need addition work to address. It may result to the construction project delay. These common causes of construction project delays can escalate project cost due to extended labor and equipment rental expenses. Ang mga delays ay maaaring magdulot ng malaking pagtaas sa project cost, mabawasan ang client satisfaction at makaapekto sa overall success ng project. Maaari itong magresulta sa penalties, strained relationships, at tarnished reputation. Halimbawa, kapag na-delay ang proyekto, maaaring tumaas ang gastos dahil sa overtime pay at additional resources. Bukod dito, ang client satisfaction ay maaaring bumaba dahil sa hindi pagtupad sa napagkasunduang timeline. Sa huli, ang reputasyon ng kumpanya ay maaaring masira na magdudulot ng pagkawala ng future projects. Para maiwasan natin ang mga ganitong frustrations, I will share to you 8 effective strategies to eliminate or control delays. Strategy number 1. Set realistic expectations. Ensure na ang inyong project timelines at budget ay realistic mula pa sa simula. Overly ambitious schedules often lead to delays. Magkaroon ng tamang expectation at huwag mag-overpromise. Strategy number 2. Effective planning and scheduling. Gumamit ng detailed project schedules at mag-include ng buffer periods para sa critical task. This helps accommodate any unforeseen delays. Halimbawa, maglaan ng extra days para sa mga critical tasks upang maiwasan ang domino effect ng delays. I have an in-depth explanation about the step-by-step guide of construction schedule for homeowners. Click in the link in the description below para mapanood mo. Strategy number 3. Regular communication. Panatilihin ang open at frequent communication sa lahat ng stakeholders. This ensures everyone is on the same page at mabilis na matutugunan ang anumang issues na lumitaw. Magkaroon ng regular meetings at updates para sa lahat ng kasangkot sa proyekto. Strategy number 4. Diversify supply chains. Ang pag-rely sa isang supplier lamang ay risky. Diversify your supply chain para maiwasan ang delays dahil sa supply issues. Magkaroon ng backup suppliers para sa mga critical materials. Strategy number 5. Use technology. Implement project management software para matrack ang progress, manage resources at ma-identify ang potential delays early. Gumamit ng mga tools tulad ng Gantt charts at project management apps para masubaybayan ang progreso ng proyekto. Have the leverage of using the power of technology. Strategy number 6. Quality control mo. Regularly inspect work para masigurong ito ay tumutugon sa quality standards. This prevents rework which can cause significant delays. Magkaroon ng regular inspections at quality check para masigurong tama ang pagkakagawa ng bawat bahagi ng proyekto. Strategy number 7. Be flexible. Be prepared to adapt your plans as needed. Flexibility sa materials, equipment, at workflows can help you navigate unexpected challenges. Halimbawa, kung may problema sa isang supplier, handa dapat na mag-ship sa ibang supplier nang walang malaking abala. And lastly, strategy number 8, contract management. Please make sure na inyong contract ay nagko-cover ng potential delays at naglalaman ng clear responsibilities at penalties para sa delays. Magkaroon ng malinaw na kontrata na naglalaman ng mga detalye tungkol sa penalties at responsibilities sa oras ng delays. There you have it! To wrap up, ang pag-unawa sa mga common causes ng construction project delays at ang pag-implement ng effective strategies para ma-manage ang mga ito ay maaari magdulot ng malaking pagkakaiba sa tagumpay ng inyong proyekto sa pamamagitan ng pag-set ng realistic expectations, effective planning, regular communication, diversifying supply chains, paggamit ng technology, ensuring quality control, pagiging flexible at mahusay na contract management. Maaari ninyong mabawasan ang delays at mapanatiling on track ang inyong mga proyekto. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe for more tips on successful construction project management. See you in the next video.